here. Okay, as close to you. Can you come little down? Otherwise, if we pull, you will go there.
Okay.
Okay. Now, put little. So he has to come there. Put your leg little forward. Okay. Bend. 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 Bend your knee. Bend your legs. Very good. Okay. Now, shift weight from this leg to this leg. Just shift your leg. Okay? That's what I told you. You will go for. Okay. So just it is hand shifting of weights. Now you feel any? No. Good. Go. Okay. So this is how you can shift. Okay. Yeah. You have to do it. Okay. Now next one is down. Come. The other way to get into this posture, the same way what you have told, but I can do from this side. Okay? Again facing, not to that side, facing from here, facing the feet of the patient. I can hold this, hold. Okay? Now again shifting the weight, okay, from here, shifting the weight from here to here. Okay? Okay, so this is how you can do it. Now it is all depends upon you. It's not that this is the principles which you have to follow. The principle is adjust the environment, adjust your height, make your spine straight. Do whatever you want. It's not a problem. Okay, so that is how you can shift the patient from down to up, down to up. If patient is down, if you want to move him up, this is how we have to do. So we have done the rolling. This is what, how can you make the patient to sit. This is way how you can move the patient up and down. Okay. Any other things? How can you make a person from sitting to standing? Sitting to standing. How will you do? Be here. Sit. Stand. So this is an independent sit to stand. Independent sit to stand. If patient is having some problem, okay, it depends, no? If it is a stroke, you will be doing in a different way. If it is in the other condition, you will be in different way. If it is stroke, how will you do? If it is a stroke, how will you make a person to go for standing? Huh? Show me, because you already have done this stroke. You want to show? No. Wait. Dafar, come there. So he is an left side hemiplegia. Left side hemiplegia. How will you make him sit to stand? How will you make him sit to stand? Sit to stand. Or where you are going to sit? See, it was very clear. He is having left side hemiplegia. Now he will do how to get him from sit to stand. Where he will support, you just check it out. If it is not right, you have to do. First, remove your chappals. No sitting again. Just to get him from sit to stand.
Akui.
So what is the problem here?
Center glass.
Is it correct or not? Naif. Not correct? Come here. If it's correct, no, it's wrong. You show me right thing. It's wrong. Come fast.
الله يعينك. هيا اسرع. هوبا. بيقول هوبا.
You can take like that, no problem. Now I want him to stand. If you want to stand, what he needs? His problem is knee. Quadriceps is not there, so it will go like this. We need to give support for quadriceps, and we need to give support for gluteus. So gluteus and quadriceps are very important. One more thing is you need to give, come on, that's enough. And you need to give support for shoulder also. You need to give support for shoulder. The same way what they have done. The same way what they have done. But here you have to adjust the patient height. Okay? So you can give support. You can give support to the quadriceps. Okay? And you have to give support for the shoulder. Okay? You have to give support for the shoulder. Even if you are taking this, you need to give support for the shoulder in the scapula. Okay? If you hold like this is the hold. Okay? Then you can give support for the quadriceps and you can make him stand. Okay? But the problem here is you can't support the quadriceps in a right way. You can't control the quadriceps. Okay? So the better way, okay? So I am going to be by the side of the patient. Okay? So I am crossing my leg. I will give some support for the shoulder and I will support here for. So now, be relaxed. Why you are so stiff? Good. Now here, 1, 2, 3. Come on. Okay? This is an ideal way. And one more important thing here is, now sit. Now I am here. Now stand. Okay? Normally how we will stand, you just see. Sit. Now stand. Be relaxed. Okay, you be sit. Stand. So that is what forward momentum and coming up. This is the usual thing. If I am standing in front of the patient, now stand. Very tough for him to stand. It needs lot of muscle work. What I am not allowing him to do here is, general way of sitting is, sit to stand is this. But if I am in front, he will try to do this. Already he is having paralysis. Again, if I stand in front of him, he needs more muscle work. So you are not allowing him the natural process of sit to stand. Better to be the side of the patient. If patient is too debilitated means too weak and all, or too old, then you can go this process. How can you do sit to stand using two persons? Come. Now we will see how you are going to do it. It is not a paralytic or something. It's a normal person who is not able to stand. He is little obese. We need two people. Come. So here, as if, come. Here, be sit. Give the other hand. Okay, we have to cross the hands. So the fix, we can support it, and instead of supporting like this, if you cross your hands, if you ask the other person to cross your hands, you will get a better